Every single day, Jeff Bezos sends us hundreds of dollars like this, and like this, and like this, all without paying a penny up front and only working 1 to 2 minutes a day at best. Well, maybe we're not getting those payments directly from Jeff Bezos, but we are getting them from his biggest creation, Amazon. Yes, Amazon, the world's biggest e-com company on planet Earth, is worth a bit over $200 billion. You see, Amazon has one of the most robust review systems. They use it to help people review every product. But we managed to create an AI model that can exploit that exact review system to make us money like this every single month. All that we do is just copy any product's link from Amazon and paste it inside Amplify. And that's it. Everything else is done for us by our AI model. Amplify will turn that link into stunning AI-generated video reviews without us doing a lick of work. Not just that, Amplify will then hijack 5,000 to 10,000 clicks from Amazon to our videos, without us paying a penny in ads. After that, our videos send that exact traffic back to Amazon, allowing us to make hundreds of dollars in commissions. That's it. We created the world's first AI model that exploits Amazon's reviews system and turns it into our own passive income proof. Here's the best part. Amplify doesn't require any previous experience or technical setup. In fact, all it takes to get started with Amplify is 2 minutes. Yes, just 2 minutes, and you will be on your way to generating thousands of clicks from Amazon and sending them back to Amazon, making us hundreds of dollars. Here, we just created a campaign with Amplify, and within the first 24 hours, we got a whopping 7,235 clicks to our link. Not only that, but those clicks converted into a massive payday for us. And all of that happened by creating our campaign in 2 minutes only, without editing or recording any videos, without building an e-com store, and without paying a penny in ads. That's the power of Amplify, my friend. And today, you can have the same power as us and replicate our success. You don't need to learn anything, you don't need to buy any expensive app, and you don't need to spend your day tied to your laptop working. Amplify eliminates all of that. You can use Amplify from anywhere in the world, whether it's your bedroom or from the beach. You can set up your campaigns from your laptop, PC, mobile, or even your iPad. And remember, each campaign takes less than 2 minutes. Take a look at this. While I'm recording this video for you, I made $987.11 in commissions. That's just money I made in the past 20 minutes or so while recording this message for you. Amplify gives me the freedom to do whatever I want in life and still make money. It works for anyone. Affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, service provider, e-com store owners, and more. Hey, my name is Venkata, and on behalf of my team, we are happy to introduce you to Amplify. I'm sure by now you're wondering, how much is this going to cost me? If we decided to charge you the fair price for Amplify, it will be at least $997 per month. And even at this price, it's still a no-brainer. Our average users made that money back in just a couple of days. But here's the thing, $997 a month is a big commitment, especially for someone who is just getting started. And the whole purpose of creating Amplify was to make it accessible to the people who need it the most. So, with that in mind, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Amplify for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Amplify. But you must be quick. There is no point in selling Amplify if it doesn't produce the results we promise. And in order to do that, we put in a lot of support for each new member. The good news is, we take each new member by the hand until they get results. The bad news is, we can't do that for unlimited people. After all, we are humans too. So after we hit our limit, we are raising the price again to $997 per month. After that, there is no going back. So if you can still see the buy button below, don't wait. you might not get this chance ever again. Listen, right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Amplify for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. We will refund every penny you paid within 24 hours. Worst case scenario, you get Amplify and don't make any money, you get all of your money back, no questions. Click the button below and get instant access to Amplify plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $13,345. I'll see you inside.